Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important yet often overlooked: improving your sexual life. Whether you're looking to reignite the spark, deepen your connection, or simply enhance your overall experience, I've got you covered with 7 easy steps. We'll also weave in some timeless Stoic wisdom to guide us. So, let's get started. Step 1. Communication. Open, honest communication with your partner is the cornerstone of a healthy sexual relationship. Talk about your desires, boundaries, and any concerns you might have. Remember the Stoic principle of sympathia, understanding our interconnectedness. Discussing your day-to-day feelings can also bring you closer together. Try setting aside some time each week for a relationship check-in to discuss what's on your mind. Step 2. Prioritize intimacy. In our busy lives, it's easy to let intimacy slip through the cracks. The Stoics remind us to be present in the moment, schedule regular date nights, spend quality time together, and create an environment that fosters closeness. It doesn't always have to lead to sex. Sometimes, just being physically close and affectionate can significantly improve your bond. Step 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and understanding more about sexual health and techniques can be incredibly beneficial. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "Only the educated are free. Read books, watch informative videos, and explore reputable online resources." Sometimes, just learning something new can spark interest and lead to new experiences. Step 4. Experiment and play. Variety is the spice of life, and this applies to your sexual relationship as well. The Stoics valued virtue and excellence in all things. Why not strive for excellence in your intimate life too? Try new things, be playful, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Whether it's trying a new position, incorporating toys, or exploring fantasies, keeping things fresh can reignite that spark. Step 5. Focus on foreplay. Foreplay is essential for building arousal and intimacy. The Stoic idea of mindfulness, being fully present, can enhance this experience. Take your time to explore each other's bodies, engage in prolonged kissing, touching, and oral activities. Foreplay is not just a precursor to sex, but an integral part of the sexual experience itself. Step 6. Maintain physical and mental health. This step is about maintaining your physical and mental health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep can significantly boost your sexual health. The Stoics believed in maintaining a sound body and mind. Managing stress through mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga can improve your overall well-being, which directly impacts your sexual life. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Step 7. Seek professional help if needed. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Sometimes, issues like erectile dysfunction, low libido, or emotional barriers can benefit from professional guidance. The Stoic approach to life encourages us to seek wisdom and support. Seeing a sex therapist or counselor can provide you with the tools and strategies to overcome these challenges. Remember, seeking help is a strength, not a weakness. And there you have it. 7 steps to improve your sexual life with a touch of Stoic wisdom. Remember, every relationship is unique, so take what resonates with you and your partner. The key is to stay connected, be open, and have fun exploring each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay happy, healthy, and wise.